Have you ever been far from a friend or family? The word apart explains that distance or separation, and it's an important word in English. Apart means separated by a space or distance. It shows when things are not together or are divided. A common mistake is using apart instead of together. Remember, apart means not close or separated, not close or joined. We say things are far apart, grow apart, or fall apart. You can use be apart from to talk about separation. Their houses are 5 miles apart. The friends grew apart over time. The broken toy fell apart. She lives apart from her family. Anna and Mia were best friends, but when Anna moved to another city, they lived apart. Even so, they called each other every day to stay close. Think of the word apart like a pear split in 2 parts, moving away from each other. Apart helps you remember it means separated. Now you know apart means separated. Try using it today and see how it changes your English.